Apollo Green Energy Limited is a leading EPC company specializing in renewable energy solutions. With over 2 decades of industry experience through their parent company Apollo International Group, they are driving India's transition to clean energy. The company operates in 8 states and manages a diverse portfolio including 400 megawatt solar installations and several large-scale EPC projects. The company is currently executing a 40 megawatt fixed-tilt solar project in Odisha, a pioneering 50 megawatt floating solar installation in Kerala, and a 200 megawatt solar project with tracker technology in Gujarat. In Bihar, AGEL is also involved in the deployment of 1,50,000 smart solar streetlights, part of its commitment to promoting sustainable infrastructure. With India's renewable energy target set at 500 gigawatt by 2030, AGL's focus on utility-scale solar, hydro energy and green hydrogen projects aligns with the nation's ambitious goals. Apollo Green solutions include: first, utility-scale solar; second, utility-scale wind; third, hybrid renewable systems; fourth, energy storage solutions; and fifth, green hydrogen infrastructure. Now, coming to its financials, March 2024 revenue was rupees 1,268 crore versus rupees 790.8 crore in the previous year, which is a growth of 60.3%. PAT was rupees 38.6 crore in March 2024 versus rupees 18.2 crore in the previous year, which is a growth of 112%. EPS was rupees 20 in March 2024 versus rupees 13 in the previous year. With outstanding shares of 17.1 crore, their market cap at the current share price stands at 5,594.1 crore with a PE multiplier of 25.5. Apollo Green is setting ambitious goals as it plans a public listing in 2025. The company, already managing a substantial order book of rupees 3,500 crore, aims to expand its project portfolio to rupees 10,000 crore by 2025, tapping into India's growing renewable energy market. Their impressive growth reflects AGEL's aggressive expansion across India's renewable energy sector, spanning solar and hydro projects. And now, coming to its shareholders, these are the top shareholders owning the majority of the shareholding rights. Now, if you want to learn more about Apollo Green's unlisted shares or any other similar companies, head over to stockify.net.in or drop a comment below.